My name is Adnan, and our company is located in Chicago, Illinois. This is our AccTek laser machine, model number AKJ1325. We use it to make our whiz kit. As you can see, the machine does a beautiful job. What we like about the AccTek machines is they're very high quality at an affordable price. Their support is always available, and it's just a quality machine overall. Here's just an example of some of the cuts that we did with the machine. As you see, they're very nice and crystal clear. The machine has an 80-watt laser.
Hello AccTek. I got this machine a couple of months ago. It's an amazing machine. I'm very satisfied. I was very terrified about getting such a big machine. This is my first time I have such a machine. This is a 122 by 244 meters. So it's a big one with ATC, automatic tool change. I have 8 like this. All my fears were gone as the technical support. Thank you, Kate, is excellent. Every time I have a question, I get an answer, and all the problems were solved. Everything was taught, and it's amazing. I also want to get thanks to Mr. Shin, sales manager, who was perfect in his service, really perfect. I very loved working with him. And Kate, thank you again. Bye.
Hola, estamos aquí en El Salvador usando la máquina AccTek, portando MDF en esta ocasión. Estamos muy agradecidos con la compañía por haber brindado esta máquina de tan buena calidad. Estamos cortando MDF de 5 milímetros con el cabezal de CO2. Es un corte perfecto, limpio. Puede sacar fácilmente. Todo gracias a AccTek. Excelente producto, muy buen corte. Máquina AccTek, corte láser en acero de 2 milímetros. Gracias especiales a todo el equipo técnico de AccTek que nos ha capacitado en todo momento para poder llegar a producir todos estos artículos, los cuales utilizamos para comercializar en nuestra empresa.
I'm from Thailand. Yes, we bought 3 machines from LaserCutting, 2 for CNC router, and 1 for CO2 laser. Yes, they made machine very well. The machine go very fast, quite good quality. Yes, we're happy with this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Stanimir from Elopar, Bulgaria. I want to introduce you this machine, LaserCutting 1530. From 5 years I am working with this machine, the same like every machine. Sometimes this machine has stopped working, but I want to thank you from the Elopar, from the LaserCutting support team. They fixed the troubles very quickly, and I want to thank you again. They are so kindly. This machine is very good because I am producing many things with this machine from the 5 years, more details, and the LaserCutting is the best thing. Thank you again.
I'm Willem from the Netherlands and we bought the machine with LaserCutting. We are really happy with the results and the service is really good. Thanks to Barry for all his help. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye.
Like the machine, work really nice. It's like a Gerber by LaserCutting. You pay like 50% or less, and you get this machine besides strong and really good. I like this machine. It's my second router, CNC router I bought with this company. They are really very responsible. They are excellent with the warranty with this machine. But the other one never give me the problem, and this one I hope so. Never gonna give me problem too. This is an excellent machine. I approve. LaserCutting CNC router.
All right, this is my second video. I have an LaserAccTek, which I'm putting the Worker Bee brand on, Worker Bee machinery. And this is the machine and computer. Underneath we have our electronics. The front side is the high voltage side, Delta. Main contactor. On the back side, by the way, if there's any comments on how I can make better videos, please let me know. Back side of the PC here. Right now I'm running it with a transformer, so this is a 220 volt machine, but I do have a transformer in there right here. That transformer is so that I can just power it up here with the power that I have in the office. Mach 3 controller, power supply for low voltage. These are hybrid servos, also known as closed loop steppers. It is an AC powered stepper drive, so they are not off the DC power supply. So this is not controlling, this is not the power supply for the drives. That is the power supply just for the 24 volts for the controller. The power that powers up the closed loop steppers comes from this AC transformer. That is 70 volts AC. I'll zoom in here a little bit so you guys can take a look at that. It's 220 input voltage and 70 volts output. They do come with an oiler, which is a very nice added feature. So your linear rails and your ball screws on this particular machine. This one is powered with a ball screw drive, center ball screw drive. Linear bearings down here. I have not cleaned any of the grease off of there yet. These are NEMA 34 closed loop stepper drives. It is also a NEMA 34 on the Z-axis also. I'll come around back to the front side of the machine. This does not have any of the controls down below, but there is storage up in the front here. So there is some storage that's down there. This is a vacuum bed table. I do not currently have a vacuum pump for those, but I do have some that will be coming shortly. It is 4 zones also. There's quite a few upgrades that we did to this machine. With a 4-zone vacuum, it's kind of nice, though. If you're doing something smaller, you can really push a lot of that vacuum into a specific area. Currently, I do have a touchscreen hooked up. Again, I'm only on my second video, so as time goes on, I hope I get a lot better at this. Let's see. Now I know why people, when they make YouTube videos, say that your perspective through an iPhone or in my case, a Samsung phone here, is not very good. There is some files that are included with this machine to set it up from LaserWelding also. Not sure what I'm... Oh, it's open already. That's the reason I can't open it. So, let's see here. We're already on reset. So, as you can tell here. And we can home the machine. Ref all home. Not all that terribly interesting to watch a machine home, but I'll put it on there because it does have inductive switches, and those are homing switches. So for your Z, or for all the limit switches, the limits are actually set with soft limits. They're off of the reference home. So the first thing you should do is home the machine so that it knows where it's at, so that your soft limits do work appropriately. And you can see there it goes into the home position as it's coming in. You can see the inductive switch there. As it comes into it, it backs off. I think I have it set at about 5 millimeters, so it backs off about 5 millimeters. And then it comes in slower so that it can try to get a nice consistent home position. I am by no means an expert when it comes to Mach. I can get it to work, but that's about the extent of how well I can make it. Just enough to do some tuning and bring some G-code in. There is an awful lot of programs and a lot of videos on how to create some G-code for this, for a Mach controller. So that's my second video. Again, if you have any suggestions, put it down there and be productive. Thanks.
Yeah, my name is Jonathan from Studio 9 from South Africa. We had bought this laser and fiber machine from LaserCutting, and they came and fixed it. And we are very thankful to LaserCutting for fixing the machine. Thank you.